Hey everybody, this is Terry and Marcia, and hey, what's this? Chezzy. We wanted to give you guys a little message. We are going to be at the Michigan Antique Radio Society event, the Electronics event. Expo, I'm glad she's here. On February 1st, Detroit area, it's in Farmington Hills, right?
Yes.
At the Caustic Center. So it starts at 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. You got to give them $5 to get in.
On Saturday.
Yeah, that would be Saturday. So Marcia and I will be there, and so will Robert Mondavi, right? So if you guys want to meet us, we're going to be there. We're going to video the event, have some fun, and there is going to be a segment where people can go up on a little stage, maybe.
I have no idea.
Who knows what they're doing, but you get like a 30-second clip where you can get on there. If you're selling or buying, you can say what you're doing there, where you came from, blah, blah, blah. And I'll put you on D-Lab's video. So we just wanted to put this out there as an announcement. We will be there. Unless the dog sitter doesn't show up, then I'll be here. Marcia can hang out.
That's right. Don't
Anyway.
leave the dog alone.
Yep. Hope to see you. Terry and Marcia, D-Lab Electronics. Still
Cheers.
doing it. Cheers.
Hope to see ya.
Yep. See you in Detroit.